Okay, first hiccup. Uh, Due to fly at 8 o'clock this morning. To be honest, didn't really have a great sleep. Woke up. I think I woke up at about 6:30, and luckily enough saw an email to say that the aircraft I was due to fly has gone tech. They found a crack in the exhaust pipe. So, that may not have been the best. So, as far as I'm aware, the aircraft's undergoing maintenance today, which means out of a fleet of 5 aircraft, it's down to 4. So, the blocks are a little bit more compact over the next couple of days. Hopefully, that aircraft will be back in service relatively soon. What that means for me is unfortunately a cancellation for today, which means no flying. But I'm kind of happy actually. I'm feeling quite tired, especially over the last couple of days. I've had a lot on work-wise and with the family. So I think today, being able to take a step back, I'm gonna head out, go down to the gym, and then after that, then get stuck into my notes, gone back over some revision, and I think it'll give me a bit more of a better headspace to be entering into tomorrow, which means a double block tomorrow. So hopefully that's roughly about 3.5 to maybe 4 hours of flying tomorrow. So looking forward to that. But for today, it's head out, go to the gym, and we'll see where the road takes us from there.